Good afternoon, I am Shruti. Welcome back to Pencraft Live. So today I will be showing you Christmas decorative product. So here is the kit. Let me open it. And yes, Merry Christmas to you all in advance. So this is the kit. In this kit you will get this beautiful MDF cutout, set of acrylic colors, glitter, set of 2 brushes and glue. So let's start. So these are the 2 cutouts on which today I'll show you how to paint. So for that I will be using light green and dark green color, and here already I have given the base on this MDF cutout of white color. So let's begin. So by using the dabbing effect with the brush, I will paint this cutout. This is a Christmas tree. Slowly we have to dab and cover each corner of the cutout. Guys, you can buy this kit from our website, which is diy.pencraft.in, and also from Amazon. It will be home delivered to you. Slowly dab the color. Use little dark green color like this. So we can give little depth to the tree. You can use any color of your desire, but it's Christmas and the basic color of the tree is green, so I'm using green over here.
Rakhi has commented awesome.
Thank you so much, Rakhi. Guys, if you have any queries, you can ask me in the comment section below. I will get back to you. And if you have any queries, you can call us on 91360 24968. If the consistency of color is thick, you can use water.
Suman Yadav has commented beautiful.
Thank you so much, Suman.
Tejasvi has also commented beautiful.
Wow. Thank you, Tejasvi.
We got comment from art enthusiastic person. Great.
Thank you so much.
Pooja Gupta has also commented nice.
Thank you, Pooja. So I have covered the half part of the tree with the same procedure.
Shabnam has also commented it looks beautiful.
Thank you, Shabnam.
Prajakta has commented awesome.
Thank you, Prajakta. So guys, here I am showing you dabbing effect. You can also give realistic effect to this tree.
Ashlesha has commented wow.
Thank you so much. So I am covering each and every corner of this tree.
Gaurav has commented amazing.
Thank you, Gaurav.
One more comment from Shweta Chavan. It's beautiful.
Thank you.
we got one more comment from Himanshu. He's saying looks really beautiful, full on Christmas feeling.
Thank you so much. Yeah, so we are about to complete our tree. So this is how we can paint with dabbing effect with two shades which are light green and dark green.
Tejal Loki has commented beautifully painted.
Thank you so much. You know guys, your comments means a lot for us. Thank you so much for your lovely comments. So here we go. Our Christmas tree is complete, half complete I mean. Now we will move to this part which is deer.
We got one more comment. Colors are great.
Thank you so much.
Heer has also commented, wow, looks amazing.
Thank you, Heer. So now, starting with deer, first we will paint horns of deer with brown color. If you guys do not have brown color, you can mix black and red color, or simply give black color.
Prasad is saying it looks really attractive.
Thank you so much.
Pallavi Desai has also commented beautiful.
Thank you, ma'am. So our deer is half complete. Now we will play with some glitters. For that I will add little glue.
We got one more comment from Rakhi. She's saying blending is shown beautifully.
Thank you so much, Rakhi. Little amount of glue is required for this procedure. So simply I'll spread it with my finger. You should equally spread the glue all over the deer so we can put glitter on it like this.
There is one question from Priya.
Yeah.
She is asking where can we get the cutouts?
Hi Priya, so you can get this cutouts, I mean DIY kit from our website, which is diy.pencraft.in, and it will be home delivered to you. So this is done. Now I'll put some glitter on it. With the help of pinch, just spread the glitter over the deer like this, slowly. Guys, this will be little messy, but it is fun. See how beautiful the golden color is. You can use any color, but golden color is more attractive. That's why I have chosen your golden color. Slowly cover each corner. Here I'll require more glitter, that's why I'm so like this you can cover each part of the deer slowly.
Pallavi Desai has commented, "Whoa, it's really awesome."
Thank you so much. So this is about to complete the deer part. Guys, I'm having fun doing this, so you will also enjoy it. If you have kids, they will also enjoy it. Playing with glitters, different colors. You can give any effect of your desire to this cutouts.
Shweta has commented, "Nice."
Thank you. So this is complete. So now again we will move to, just give me 1 second, I'll clear this glitter.
Pooja has commented, "Awesome."
Thank you, Pooja. So now again coming back to this tree. Now we will add more colors to this tree, starting with white color. I will give borders to this tree.
Rakhi has commented, "Wow, awaiting to do this soon, and golden ears with Christmas looks just perfect."
Yes, Rakhi, it's really very beautiful. Slowly complete the borders. You can use yellow color, but yellow color I'll be using for stars. So here I'm using white color. Slowly cover the corners. Go very slowly.
Rigved has commented, "Lovely it is, and it looks so beautiful, Christmas vibes."
Thank you so much. So our half Christmas tree is complete with white border. Now we will move to another part of the tree, starting with the same technique which I have told you before. Go slow and complete the outline. Guys, you can use poster colors also, but I will prefer to use acrylic colors as they are waterproof and acrylic colors last longer. So it is preferred to use acrylic color on the surfaces. Usually we get questions related to this, that's why I'm giving you the suggestion. So the white part of the tree is completed. Now move on to the another part, which is stars. So for stars I'll choose yellow color. Same procedure, give outline to the stars, thin outline. See how beautiful it is looking. Wow. You can use white color for stars, but yellow color look more attractive, that's why I have chosen yellow color. Please do this after the color is dried completely. You can show your own creativity to enhance this cutouts.
Priya has commented, really beautiful.
Thank you so much, Priya. So this is complete, only 2 stars are remaining. Wait.
Rohan Deshpande has commented amazing.
Thank you so much, Rohan. So this is complete. Now I'll show you the final product. So here comes the final product. So this is the final product in which you can see all cutouts. This is a small deer, big deer with same technique. Here we have used cotton. You can use thermocol balls for more effect. So guys, now I'll show you the kit of tomorrow's workshop, which is Lippen art wall hanging. So this is the kit. In this kit you will receive round MDF brushes, mirrors, glue.
Pallavi has also commented, oh my god, outstanding.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Your comment really means a lot to us. And clay and set of acrylic colors. So this is the kit for Lippen art workshop, which will be tomorrow. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's workshop. So again, Merry Christmas to you all in advance. So see you then. Bye. Take care.